Assalamualaikum friends, once again welcome to my channel Crochet lovers. So friends, over you I hope all will be well, mighty. Keep you happy, keep you homes in happy journey, continue to enjoy like this army. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet blouses designs, top designs, very amazing colorful crochet summer blouses designs ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people and all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all the designs. Without your channel in the first time, you can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch session any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Down in some other video on my channel, I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing the channel kind of related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.